Reverse osmosis plant and its membrane cleaning. Water treatment, row plant, row membrane, chemical cleaning. Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. Welcome to our YouTube video on reverse osmosis plant and its membrane cleaning. Join us on this informative journey as we delve into the fascinating world of water treatment, row plants, row membranes, and chemical cleaning. Discover the vital role that reverse osmosis plays in purifying water, ensuring its safety for various applications. We will explore the inner workings of row plants and the crucial membrane technology that lies at their heart. Additionally, we'll dive into the importance of regular membrane cleaning, highlighting the techniques and chemicals involved in maintaining optimal performance. Prepare to expand your knowledge and gain valuable insights into the fascinating world of reverse osmosis and water treatment. Let's begin our exploration together. So before start, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. Before we start, please subscribe to get more informative videos. So, let's start. Today we will discuss Introduction, working principle of row plant, components of row plant, row membrane cleaning, chemical cleaning process, types of cleaning chemicals, benefits of membrane cleaning, cleaning frequency and procedure, cleaning challenges and prevention, cleaning agents for RO membrane. In the last we will conclude. Introduction. Row plants are widely used in various industries, households, and water treatment facilities to produce clean and purified water. This presentation focuses on the importance of membrane cleaning in row plants to maintain optimal performance and extend the lifespan of the membranes. Working principle of row plant. Row plants work on the principle of selective filtration, where water is forced through a semi-permeable membrane under pressure. The membrane allows water molecules to pass through while rejecting larger particles, ions, and impurities. This process effectively removes dissolved salts, minerals, bacteria, and other contaminants from the water, producing high-quality treated water. Components of row plant. A typical row plant consists of several key components, including pre-filtration units, high-pressure pumps, row membranes, pressure vessels, control systems. Pre-filtration units remove larger particles and sediments to protect the membranes from fouling. The high-pressure pump applies the necessary pressure to force water through the membranes, while the pressure vessels hold the membranes in place. Row membrane cleaning. Over time, row membranes can become fouled or scaled due to the accumulation of dissolved solids, organic matter, and other contaminants. Membrane fouling reduces the efficiency and performance of the row plant, leading to decreased water production and increased energy consumption. Regular membrane cleaning is essential to remove these foulants and restore the membrane's permeability. Chemical cleaning process. Chemical cleaning is one of the common methods used to clean row membranes. It involves the use of specialized cleaning solutions or chemicals to dissolve and remove foulants from the membrane surface. The cleaning solution is circulated through the RO system, allowing the chemicals to penetrate and clean the membranes thoroughly. Types of cleaning chemicals. Various types of cleaning chemicals are used for RO membrane cleaning, depending on the nature of foulants and scaling. Acidic cleaners are effective against inorganic scale deposits, while alkaline cleaners are suitable for removing organic matter and biofilm. Additionally, there are specialized cleaners available for specific foulant types, such as iron, silica, or microbiological growth. Citric acid. Concentration of 2 to 4%, pH 2.0 to 3.0, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen chloride, concentration of 1 to 2%, pH less than 2.0, cleaning agents for RO membrane. Sulfamic acid, concentration of 1 to 2%, pH 2.0 to 3.0, sodium bisulfite, concentration of 0.5 to 1.0%, pH less than 2.0, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, concentration of 1 to 2%, pH greater than 10.0, sodium hypochlorite, NaOCl, concentration of 0.5 to 1.0%, pH 10.0 to 11.0, EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, concentration of 0.5 to 1.0%, pH 3.0 to 4.0. Alkaline cleaners, proprietary formulations, follow the manufacturer's instructions for concentration and usage. Cleaning frequency and procedure. The cleaning procedure involves a series of steps, including membrane soaking, circulation of cleaning solution, rinsing, and system recovery. The frequency of membrane cleaning depends on the feed water quality, operating conditions, and the rate of fouling. Regular monitoring of performance parameters like pressure drop and permeate flow helps determine when cleaning is necessary. Benefits of membrane cleaning. Proper and regular membrane cleaning offers several benefits in a row plant. It restores the membrane's permeability, leading to improved water production and reduced energy consumption. Cleaning helps extend the lifespan of the membranes, reducing the need for frequent replacement and lowering operational costs. Cleaning challenges and prevention. Membrane cleaning can present challenges, such as chemical compatibility, environmental concerns, and potential membrane damage. To prevent fouling and scaling, proper pretreatment of feed water is crucial. Pre-filters, anti-scalants, and disinfection methods help minimize fouling potential. Monitoring system parameters and implementing a proactive maintenance schedule can prevent severe fouling and reduce the frequency of cleaning. In conclusion, reverse osmosis (RO) plants play a vital role in water treatment by removing impurities and producing clean, purified water. Maintaining the performance and longevity of row membranes is essential, and proper membrane cleaning is a key aspect of this maintenance. By employing regular cleaning procedures and utilizing appropriate cleaning agents at the recommended concentrations, fouling and scaling can be effectively removed, restoring the membrane's permeability and enhancing water production efficiency. Membrane cleaning not only improves the overall performance of the row plant but also reduces energy consumption and extends the lifespan of the membranes, resulting in cost savings and sustainable water treatment practices. The full training courses are available on demand for on-site, online, and hybrid forms. Please subscribe to the channel to get more videos.